Polity. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Who among the following is appointed by the President? Options are Attorney General of India, Comptroller and Auditor General, Governor of State. All of the above. Right option is option number D. All of the above. Attorney General of India, Comptroller and Auditor General, and the Governor of State. Attorney General of India, Comptroller and Auditor General of India, and Governor of State all are appointed by the President in accordance with the Article 76, 148, 155 respectively of the Indian Constitution. Next question is which one of the following is not appointed by the President of India? Options are Vice President, Prime Minister, Governor, Chief Election Commissioner. Right option is option number A, Vice President. The Vice President is not appointed by the President. Vice President is elected in the manner provided in Article 66. Next question is the Constitution authorize the President to make provisions for discharge of duties of governors in extraordinary circumstances under Article 160, 162, 165 and 310. Right option is option number 1, Article 160. As per Article 160 of the Indian Constitution, the President may make such provisions as he think fit for the discharge of the duties of the governor of a state in any contingency. Indian Constitution does not empower the President of India with the right of options or appointment of Prime Minister, appointment of Chief Minister in states, being the Supreme Commander of Defense Forces and executing emergency in any part of the country. Right option is option number B, appointment of Chief Minister in state. According to the Article 164, Clause 1, the Chief Minister is appointed by the Governor, not by the President of India. Next question is which article of the Indian Constitution empowers the President to consult the Supreme Court? Options are Article 129, Article 132, Article 143, Article 32. Right option is option number C, Article 143. Article 143 of the Constitution empowers the President to consult the Supreme Court on the question of law or fact, but he is not bound to accept the advice given by the Supreme Court. So next question is which of the following is incorrect about the power of the President of India? Right option is option number A, the President should accept the advice of Supreme Court. Emergency power, power of extensions of President's rule in states. President can accept or reject the advice of the Supreme Court. Right option is option number A, the President should accept the advice of the Supreme Court. Next question is according to the Constitution, which among the following is literally not a power of the President of India? According to the Constitution, which among the following is literally not a power of the President of India? Options are promulgation of ordinance, to consult the Supreme Court, to send a message to houses of Parliament, to grant pardon. Right option is option number C, to send messages to House of the Parliament. According to Article 86, Clause 1, to send messages to the Parliament is a right of the President, not a power. Next question is the President of India does not have right to obstruct, give pardon, remove a judge of Supreme Court, declare emergency and pass ordinance. Right option is option number B, remove a judge of Supreme Court. The President of India does not have the right to remove a judge of Supreme Court. The provision regarding this is discussed in Article 124, Clause 4 of the Constitution, which says a judge of the Supreme Court shall not be removed from his office except by an order of the President passed after an address by each House of the Parliament supported by a majority of the total membership of the House of that House and by a majority of not less than 2/3 of the members of the House present and voting has been presented to the President in the same session for such removal on the ground of power, misbehavior, or incapacity. Next question is the power of President to grant pardon, etc. is a options are legislative power, judicial power, executive power, none of the above. Right option is option number B, judicial power. Under Article 72, the President has the power to grant the pardon, reprieves, respites, or remissions of punishments, or to suspend, remit, or commute the sentence of any person convicted of any offence. This comes under the judicial power of the President. So next question is which of the following does not consist in the power to pardon of the President? Options are pardon, commutation, remissions, respite, reprieve, detentions, and continuations. Right option is option number E. Detention and continuation. According to Article 72 of the Constitution, the President shall have the power to grant pardon, reprieves, respites, and remissions of punishments, or to suspend, remit, or commute the sentence of any person convicted of any offences. This also include punishment or sentence by a court martial. So next question is which of the following types of authority are attributed to the President of the India? Options are real and popular, territorial and de jure, political and nominal, constitutional and nominal. Right option is option number D, 2 and 4. Territorial and de jure and constitutional nominal. The President of India is attributed with formal and de jure authority. He enjoys constitutional and nominal authority. Next question is which of the following article of Indian Constitution mention the doctrine of pleasure? Options are articles are Article 200, Article 301, Article 310, Article 311, and none of the above. Right option is option number C, Article 310. Article 310 of the Constitution of India propounded the doctrine of pleasure. According to the article, except as expressly provided by this Constitution, every person who is a member of a defense service or of a civil service of the Union or of an all India service or holds any post